Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. I'll show you guys exactly how to convert a photo to PDF on any iPhone. It's a very easy process. Let's jump in. Method 1. Convert photo directly on iPhone. Go to Photos. Select several photos. Tap the little share button here. Save the files. Here you must select it on my iPhone. You should not be selected on iCloud Drive. It's important. Hit Save. Then switch to Files app. Tap the little Browse button here. On my iPhone, select the photos you just saved. Tap the little three dots icon. Tap Create PDF. The PDF file will be created in the same location. So how to find it? Just check the file size. You can notice that this file is larger than others. Open this one. You can see here, 1 of 7. So this means you have successfully created a PDF file. This method works without any internet connection. If I were you, I would try this method first. Here is another method. Try Online Tool. Go to Safari. Search Photo to PDF. Tap this one. Choose Files. You can go and click on Photo Library. Go ahead and choose whichever photo we want to convert. Tap Add. All you have to do now is click the Convert. Then you can download files. This method is also very simple, but it requires a good network status. Next up, try Convert by iCareFone. Download iCareFone on your PC. Plug your iPhone into your PC with Lightning cable. And open iCareFone. Click Manage. Choose Photo icon. Select the photo you need. Click Export. Here you can set what format the exported photos will be converted into. Click PDF. Click Next. After a while, you can see the PDF files are saved on your PC. This method is free, and iCareFone can help you to duplicate your photos. You can try it. Maybe you will love into it. Okay, here is today's tutorial. Hope you like it. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you succeed in one of the methods. If you like this video, you can subscribe us. Stay tuned for our next videos.